Hey everybody, happy Monday, April 27th. Hope you guys had an awesome weekend. It was finally warm enough outside over the weekend to get out and do stuff. I went on bike rides, went on walks, and man, it was fun. It was a good weekend. On theme with that, by the way, your random question for today. Since quarantine throws everything off, you can't see as many people as you would normally. You can't go and do things, everything's kind of limited. If quarantine was not an issue right now, what would you do? What would be like your first or what you would want to do the most? For me, Disneyland. Man, I would want to go to Disneyland right now. That's kind of a lame answer, maybe. That's just what I've been wanting so much, but just knowing that I can't go makes me want it that much more. And I always wanted to go to Disneyland anyway. But that's what I would do. So let me know. I'm curious to hear what you guys would do. Okay. Due dates to remember: May 1st, which is this Friday of this week, is when we'll finish Access Chapter 3, which might sound really fast because we're starting Access Chapter 3 today. But yeah, we should have enough time to make everything work. Okay, whoops. Something to remember. Okay, a lot of you guys do this anyway, but just want to remind you because we're getting towards the end of the term, is that if you need anything graded, make sure that you email me and email me once you've done the assignment, once you've submitted it on Pearson, and make sure to tell me the name of the assignment. That way I can pull it up and enter it on SIS for you. You really only need to do that when it's marked as missing on SIS. So if something's marked as missing and you've done the work, shoot me an email and I'll grade it for you. Okay, and then the agenda for today. Don't mind my bad spelling. I don't know what the heck. Again, I don't even know what I was thinking. Whatever. We're going to be beginning Access Chapter 3, the simulation training. This one's a little bit more, maybe a little bit more intense than Chapter 2. In Chapter 3, you're going to be using some formulas, stuff that you did in Excel. I don't think it's going to be as intense as Excel. You guys will have to tell me though. But make sure that you're using the learning aids where it has a video to show you and guide you through the practice. So yeah, use the learning aids for the simulation training. It'll make it a lot easier. And then make sure to email me and let me know what questions you have. Remember, I'm available between 11 and 12 specifically, where I'm watching my emails so I can respond as fast as possible and help you guys out as you have questions, so you don't have to wait a whole day perhaps for me to respond. So I'll leave it at that, let you guys jump into things. Have an awesome day today and hope to hear from you guys soon.